Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my November Glossybox. This is my first ever Glossybox unboxing on my channel. So I'm really excited to open this up for you guys. I've already kind of like peeked inside. That's why I have some of my makeup already done because I'm going to be trying out everything that comes in the box. Glossybox did send me this month's box, so a huge thank you to them for sending this over. So really quickly before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to enter that. And then also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here is how it comes packaged. So when you open up the black box, the actual Glossybox is inside. I really love the packaging of the Glossybox. I feel like it's very like sleek, and I love pink, so I think that this box is really cute. So here is a close-up of the box. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. As I said, I have already like peeked inside of here, so I do know what's in here. Even like the top of the box with the little like logos is so adorable. So the theme this month is makeup and magic, and there is this little like pamphlet in here that has everything in it with all of the prices. So I did obviously already open this, but I just want to show you guys like how cute this comes packaged, like with the tissue paper, the sticker, and there's like a little ribbon and everything. I feel like it's definitely packaged a lot nicer than like my BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I feel like they kind of just like throw everything in the box, whereas this one feels like a little present. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys anyways, even though I already opened this up. So you just take off the ribbon, you lift up the paper, and you have everything inside. So the first item I'm actually not going to be using. So these are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and the price of this with one pair is $4.16. And then the full size with 6 pairs of eye gels is worth $25. So we do get one set of eye gels in this package. It says experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these award-winning eye masks packed with hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract to hydrate, depuff, and more. Your under eyes will look brighter than ever. It says to apply them onto clean, dry under eyes with the foil side facing up. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then pat remaining serum into the skin. Oh, I just realized I cannot try something else that comes in the box. Okay, so we're going to just talk about the things that I'm not going to be trying out on the face. I said I was going to be trying everything, but then I realized there was more skincare in here, and I guess I didn't think about it. So I'm actually really excited about this next skincare thing. So we have this little mini set right here from the brand Mighty Patch. This is their Mighty Patch Invisible Plus and Rescue Balm. So this little sample size mini set is worth $4, but regularly the Mighty Patch by itself, which has 39 patches, is $17.99, and then the full size of the Rescue Balm is $12.99. So I actually love these little kind of like pimple patches, I guess. So basically you just put them on like an active blemish, and it kind of just like sucks everything out. That sounds really gross, but these do work really well if you like put them on before you go to bed and then you wake up, and normally your blemish is a lot smaller the morning after using this. And I've never tried the Rescue Balm, but apparently this is a post-blemish recovery cream. So this is really interesting. I'm definitely going to have to try this out. And I've heard really good things about Mighty Patch. I've tried other brands of these like pimple patches, but never this brand. So I'm excited to get these. So there's a lot of good skincare in this box. Now let's move on to like the makeup items that I'm going to be trying out on the face for you guys. So first up, we have this eyeshadow palette right here from the brand LA Splash. And can I just say how much I love this packaging? Here is what the actual palette looks like. I think this is so gorgeous. I am like obsessed with the packaging. So this is a full-size eyeshadow palette, and the price of this is $32. So here are what the shades look like. This is a really pretty kind of like neutral palette. I feel like we can create a really nice like glam look with this palette. So I'm going to be trying out this palette with the next thing that I got. So we're going to kind of use these together. So I did get this brush right here from the brand Spectrum. So this is the Spectrum Collections Limited Edition B07 brush, and the price of this is $8.99. All right, so let's see what it says about this eyeshadow palette. I actually love the color story of this. It says cast a spell with every look you create using this universally flattering eyeshadow palette. Perfect for day and night. I can definitely agree with that. I feel like this is a really good palette for day and nighttime. It says containing 8 rich and pigmented shades to make you feel bold and beautiful. You'll be ready for all of the holiday festivities coming your way. I was actually thinking how this is like a perfect palette for the holiday time, especially for like Thanksgiving. I feel like we can create a really pretty kind of like glam Thanksgiving look with this palette. It says use the matte shades for an everyday natural look and add some shimmer in the center of your lid for an extra pop. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up this eyeshadow brush. Let's see. Ooh, this actually looks very nice. So here is what the eyeshadow brush looks like. It actually does feel pretty heavy, so it feels nice, and the bristles are very soft. So this says, add definition to your eye makeup with this star-studded blending brush. Its super soft synthetic bristles taper at the tip to a flame shape that effortlessly glides across the lid for the perfect blend. It says, start in the hollow of the outer crease and gently brush in back and forth motions for a seamless blend. So we're gonna go ahead and use both of these on the eyes. So with this brush, I think I'm gonna first pick up this shade right here, and this is gonna be like my transition shade. So I do kind of have a little bit of like concealer on my lids already. So I'm just gonna start by kind of like patting this and then blending into the crease. This brush does feel very soft. So that just kind of gave like a nice like wash of color in the crease just to kind of help everything blend. I'm also just gonna lightly blend this along the lower lash line. I'm probably not going to show much of like the lower lash line because I pretty much just do like the same thing that I do in my crease, like as far as the colors go. So I'm just going to quickly go through that. So I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to pick up this shade right here, and I'm just going to start by patting this kind of on my outer corner and then working this into the crease. This is a really pretty warm toned kind of like, I don't even know, it's a very like orangish brown. I'm also going to kind of just blend this along the lower lash line again. So now I'm going to pick up this deep brown called Tiger's Eye, and I'm just going to kind of concentrate this on the outer area. I'm like lightly applying this because I don't want it to be like too dark right off the bat. So I'm just gonna kind of like tap off my brush, and then I'm gonna kind of like slowly blend this a little bit into the crease. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. I'm also going to add this to the lower lash line. So I think I'm going to be a little bit risky today, and I'm actually going to use this black shade right here. And this is a matte black called Onyx. I'm going to take that little tiny smudging brush that I used on my lower lash line because I do not want to go too far out with this shade. And I'm just going to kind of place this on my outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it out with like a fluffier brush. So it's going to look a little weird at first. So I'm just going to place it on both eyes really quickly. Now I'm going to take the brush that I used with that dark brown, and I'm just going to start blending this out just because I wanted to like deepen up this outer corner and make it a little bit more like smoky. So I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. Now I'm going to take this gorgeous gold shade right here, and I'm going to apply this on the inner part of my lid. That is such a pretty shade. Now I'm going to take the shade Amber, and I'm going to put this on the rest of my lid. So now that I've applied the lid shades, I'm going to kind of go back in with the brown and the black just to like deepen up this outer corner area because it did kind of fade away a little bit. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of the dark brown first, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of the black. Alright, so the eyeshadow was pretty much done, almost, not quite, but now I'm going to show you guys the last thing that came in my Glossybox, and it is an eyeliner. I believe you say this brand Douce. I'm probably not saying that correctly, but this is their ultra precise eyeliner, and the price of this is $22. So this is just a black eyeliner, and it says that this waterproof eye pencil eyeliner has a velvety smooth formula that glides on without pulling or tugging. You'll never have to worry about smearing again. So I'm going to apply this to the lower lash line. Okay, that actually went on like really nicely. Definitely very like smooth and velvety, very soft. All right, so now that I applied that, I'm gonna take my little smudging brush and I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take the black, and now I'm gonna smudge this out on the lower lash line. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be back to give you guys my final thoughts. All right, you guys, so here is the completed look. I am so happy with how it turned out. I feel like this eyeshadow palette, first of all, is beautiful, and the colors in here are like perfect for creating like a fall glam type of look. Perfect for Thanksgiving. So yeah, I really enjoyed the palettes. The mattes were really good. They had nice pigmentation. They blended easily, and the shimmery shades are stunning. And then I also really liked the eyeliner. It was very black, very creamy, went on super easily on the waterline. And then also the brush was really soft and just blended out everything very nicely. So I really liked this. And then I'm so excited to try out these two skincare products. So yeah, that is everything that came in my November glossy box. For this being my first box, I'm actually pretty impressed with what came in the box. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see more subscription box unboxings, and let me know if you like to see like the try-on style where I actually try out what comes in the box, or if you guys just want to see me unbox them. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. You definitely do not want to miss out on that. I'll have it linked in my description box below. And then also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.